Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make egg sauce, and please don't forget to watch this video till the end. So to start, without wasting much time, take out a clean soup plate or a bowl, and after that crack the eggshell and pour the egg in your plate. Repeat the same process until you finish the whole eggs. And for this recipe I'm using 11 raw eggs. After that I'll add salt, then I'll go ahead to use a fork to beat the egg. So after you are done beating your egg, set it aside. So next I'm going to go ahead to place an empty dry pan on the heat. After that I'll add in some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up, then I'll add in my sliced onion. I'll stir it for about 3 minutes. Next I'll go ahead to add in my sliced fresh tomatoes. I will also add in my sliced bell pepper and also some sweet pepper. After that I'll add in my roughly blended chili. Then I'll go ahead to use my spatula to stir it continuously. I'm going to fry this for at least for about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later I'm going to go ahead to pour in my beat egg. After adding in the egg, leave it for at least 2 minutes and make sure you reduce the heat to a medium heat. After 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead to use my spatula to stir the egg sauce now. So after I'm done mixing the egg, I'll go ahead to add in my spices. Here I have chicken stock cube, dried mixed seasoning herbs, thyme, curry powder, and also some mixed spices. After that I'm going to go ahead to stir it and make sure I mix everything together. So next I'm going to go ahead to add in my fresh broccoli and also some diced carrot. After that I'm going to stir fry for at least 3 minutes. So finally I'm going to go ahead to add my spring onion, and after that I'll use a spatula to stir and mix everything together, then I'll take it off the heat. So guys, as you can see now, my egg sauce is ready now. I'm going to go ahead to dish it out and enjoy with my family. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscription button and also turn on your notification bell icon. And please don't forget to like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.